Hey guys, MD95TSI here. Just want to show you when I don't fly my Inspire, how she stays. Eagle 1. And that's how she stays. Other than the camera being folded up and stuffed down in its little compartment. TDR. You have something on your chin right there, bro. Wipe that off. You know I love you, Brian. Brian's always enticing me to fly this thing. Man, get out there and fly that thing. Brian, I've charged my battery. So, you know what that means. I want to go down to like the beach and film something, and but it's just too windy today, and it seems like it's calming down. So if it calms down and gets a little better, I'll take it out. But so yeah, so there's the gimbal, and it just goes in here, and it's got a little perforated box it sets down in, and some people don't keep them in there. They'll keep them in different spots, and then you got a nice compartment there. But then I put my tablet down here. The transmitter is here, So you open that up, lift that up, and then you got your cords. And then it's like these pieces here kind of go under here for transport. You have a bag of tools in here. For your gimbals, a little screwdriver, and I keep silicate packets in it just for if I get hungry. No. Just for the moisture. Keep it out there. And so then you make sure your antennas are tucked in there, because if not, you'll get in trouble. So when you lift the bird out of here, it's easy with this guy. My charger, which is right here, because I just charged the battery this morning. I'll stick that in here, like so, and then the cord just folds in here. Kind of just like this, and then it's out of the way for when you put your bird in. And there's your lanyard. Fits down in that compartment. Got some cables here to hook up to your tablet, and an HDMI cable. Propellers here. Set there that I use, and I have a full set that's in a brand new in the bag. I've never touched yet. Hope I never need them. I'm gonna be ordering some Master Air screws. I think they're probably out of production now. They don't need to send me them. I will purchase them from them, because they have shown me already that they have great product. So there's no need for them to give me nothing else. I will purchase them. Thank you, Master Air Screw, for what you've done for me. Let's put this guy back in here. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. TDR, I know one day, I know you're going to have one of these. I know you're going to. I just know it. So guys, if you ain't saw my Inspire 1 V2, there it is. It says V2, but there's version 4 parts on this thing. Let me explain it to you. Right here, it's a one piece now. Before that was different. They're telling me on V4 they changed them, so that's what I've read, and that's what I saw a video on, so don't beat me up. And this here is just, you see how that wire is? So it's a little rubber there, or metal, so you kind of put that on there so when that cable runs up and down, it don't rub against there and cause any problems. But yeah. But that's why I said it says V2, but I've seen V4 parts. Oh, another thing with the V4 is there's, let me get the light here and show you. There's a red little button in there for the reset. They say the V4s have them. So like I said, a couple of little things I learned about it. And that's the Inspire 1 version 2 / whatever. And it's nice. I mean, it stays in this case here, and everything gets zipped up. Hard case, nothing can hurt it, and it's a very nice bird. And you guys will see a lot of videos of me this summer. When it's nice, I'll be out at the beach and everything with this, with the 4K cam onto it. Man, we're gonna have fun this year with this. So Brian, TDR, relax. You get bits and pieces of it here now, but you're gonna get tired of it after a little bit. So alright guys, thank you so much. MD95TSI signing out.